Well, I'm still at my scrap bench because I haven't finished cleaning off my table that I normally work at because I'm still working on that Sliger project. But tear down some of these Avago 10G-XFP-LR modules. It's an older networking standard that is out of date at this point. So I have a couple of these that I saved just in case, basically, but they don't sell, so no point in listing them. Luckily, these particular ones that I chose to tear down are screwed together, so it makes it easier to recycle them. The other ones are using different methods of assembly. The metal housing is like crimped together, and then some of them use like really tiny Torx screws, like T0 or something. I don't even know. So there's the cover, a little thermal material there to cool the lasers. This is an LR module, so laser output should be fairly high relative to like these kinds of modules, I guess basically is what I'm trying to say. Because you need more power to go further. If I was a little bit more adventurous, it'd be interesting to see what happens if you apply power to these lasers, but I don't have laser goggles and I don't feel like going blind. I'm not crazy like Styropyro is. For the people who know, they know what I'm talking about. Fortunately, it looks like this is, oh no, it'll come apart. Probably not the best tool for that. Piece of thermal pad stuck to my finger. I assume this is a slip-on fit. Oh, nope, I don't pop off. I think these side pins that this mechanism hinges on, looks like they're pressed in after the fact. I don't want to ruin my screwdriver trying to pry them out. Oh, only reason it matters is because that means I can't sell this as aluminum. Clean cast aluminum, it's going to get sold as aluminum breakage. But anywho, here's the PCB. I don't recognize that logo. You'll notice that some of the surface mount components have epoxy around them or something to help them stay in place. Apparently they were concerned about vibration, I guess, would be my guess. All those fans and stuff in the server. I think that's upside down. Avago. Might have been right side up actually. Or one of each. But not too much to see. Well, that's interesting. There's some copper pads behind the connections for the lasers. I wonder if that's for like heat sinking purposes. I don't know if the heat would make it down the ribbon cable or not and influence the PCB. I'm going to take this one apart one way or another, so we'll do that on camera and see if there's any difference. Alright, I'm going to do it off camera. Working with a tripod on small things, or working with a tripod in between you while trying to do small things is hard. Also doesn't help I have shaky hands today. I made the mistake of using my weed eater. Oh, I've done a review on it in a different video, but I don't like my Ryobi weed eater. Granted, my gas-powered one also would leave me with the shakes for a little bit, so fun. And there we go. Don't really care about saving the laser on that one. It makes no difference. It's aluminum breakage. Yeah. Oh, actually, no, there's some differences. The camera would focus. The potting is different. Although it doesn't look like the components are. Oh, no, they are. I can't win. If I zoom in so it'll focus, my hands are too shaky for it to be readable. If I zoom out, nothing will focus. Oh wow, there's a lot more potting around the chips on the second one. Trying not to get mad. I don't know. If I were to guess, these were probably made by different manufacturers for Avago, rather than these being different revisions of boards. But it's interesting. Looks more so on this side that the potting is just heavier rather than different component layout. Interesting. I don't know how hard vibration of the servers and everything around the switches would have been and would shake these and cause problems. But either way, hopefully that was interesting. Thanks for watching.